Let's take a walk, the sky is blue. The grass is green with drops of dew. Baby steps go 1, 2, 3. Wiggle your toes and follow me. Tall, tall trees wave in the breeze. Buzz goes the bee and dance go the leaves. Pick up a pebble, soft and round. Crunchy leaves all over the ground. Look, little ladybug, shiny and red, crawls on the leaf, then flies overhead. Butterflies flutter in color so bright, chasing the sunshine, oh what a sight! Hello, Mr. Sun, so warm and yellow. Wakes up the flowers, soft and mellow. But here comes a cloud, big and slow, drifting above us.